I feel the racket's quite same. The mold is quite same. There's some upgrades which have been made in this racket compared to 2025, which of course I'll explain you. But if I have to speak about the color, it's incredibly bright. It's looking so bright and amazing. I mean, like, just imagine smashing those kick smashes or hitting those Baneas or Viboras with this electric orange color. It's gonna be amazing. Going through the basic specifications, it's again the same diamond shaped racket. This racket again weighs 370 grams. So basic specifications are completely the same. And we've got the Babula X Yuan Lebron's logos over here on this side. And again here on the side as well. We've got the Babula's branding on the top. We have the smart butt cap so that you can change your strap without any complications. And we've got two aerodynamic cuts over here, and standard hole pattern. It's got the XEVA foam. It's constructed with 3K carbon. It will give you that hard crisp feel. It's got that XEVA foam developed by Babula. Speaking about the finish, it's got the patented Babula's 3D spin technology, and you can see the crisscross pattern, which is going to give you that good rough texture and good spin. And you can see the Viper JL 3.0 branding over here. One more addition which Babula has done in the 2026 lineup for the Yuan Lebron series is they have introduced another version, the Babula Technical Viper Yuan Lebron soft paddle racket. So as the name suggests, this is gonna give you that softer feel, a bit more control than this Yuan Lebron Pro racket. And if I have to speak about the looks, overall it's the same. I just see one difference right now over here is the wolf color, which is black in the soft version and it's silver in the pro version. Apart from that, another difference which is there in the soft version, it's 5 grams lighter. It's 365 grams, and it doesn't have the 3K carbon. It has a soft carbon which Babula has named. And apart from that, the spin texture is same, the black EVA is same, and the shape, the mold diamond racket again the same. So if you need that soft feel despite having that power from the diamond racket, this is specially made for those kind of players. That's it for this video. In the next video, I'm gonna test this Babula Technical Viper Yuan Lebron along with its soft version. So stay tuned for the in-depth review.